In today's video, we are going to talk about hash reference in Excel. Many of us has got the query that when and where hash can be used. If you haven't used this feature yet, you are really missing lots of things, as this feature eases lots of tasks. Let's see how. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is a sales data where I have used hash and spill function. I have taken two examples over here, one of VLOOKUP and the other has got unique as well as hash function. I'll show you how it works. Currently we have got data of 15 restaurants. This sheet is connected with the first one through VLOOKUP and this sheet is connected with the first sheet with unique and hash function. Now we will see what will happen with rest two sheets when we will do some updation over here. I'll do some new entries. I have updated the first sheet. Now we will see the impact on rest two sheets. The sheet which is connected through VLOOKUP, there's no change. And when we come over here, this sheet got updated automatically. This sheet is connected through unique and hash function. The main benefit of using hash function is, in case your source range is getting changed, all the data will be automatically updated in rest of the sheets. First of all, we will see where all we can't use hash function. We will come in the first sheet. I'll insert plus or equal to. I'll click over here and will insert hash. Enter. This is not working. If you select any range and add hash in front of it and expect your data to spill and pick up the whole range, it's not going to work. Why? Because this is not a spilled range. Hash can be used in that range only where the data is spilled. Now, how to recognize the spilled range? I'll delete this. I'll click over here. We'll insert plus or equal to unique bracket open. I'll select the whole range. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got all our data over here very properly. Sort or unique is such functions which create spilled data. Here we will see how to recognize a spilled range. We will click outside the data and we can't see any blue line over here. But when we click inside the range, the outer line is blue. One thing more, when we click in the first cell where we inserted the formula is active. But when we click in rest of the cells, the formula is not active. We will type something in mid cell and we'll hit enter. And the whole data got vanished. So what's the basic reason behind this? The basic reason is our data wants to spill, but this unwanted element is not allowing it to do so. It's something like inserting both the hands in a single gloves. I'll delete this and our data is back. Now as we know about the spill range, so we will see how to use hash function. If you take reference of a data where you have spilling property, hash can be used. I'll show you how. This data has got spilling property. I'll click over here, plus or equal to. I'll select this cell where our active formula is sitting. We'll insert hash and we'll hit enter. And we got our data over here very properly. In case you want to use this in different sheet, it can be done easily. I'll show you. I'll come in new sheet, plus or equal to, unique, bracket open. I'll go to the first sheet. We'll select my range. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our data is sitting in new sheet now. Plus or equal to, I'll select this cell. We'll insert hash and we'll hit enter. So unique and hash is working in different sheet also. We will come in the first sheet. The main benefit of using hash, if this range will expand, these two range will also expand. Now, what are the requirements to expand the data? Our data should be in form of a table. I'll convert this table in a range. Now this is not a table, it's just a range. We will insert something over here. Our data is not expanding. I'll drag this and our data is same as earlier. What I told you now, this data is not in a form of table. So whatever we will insert below this, it's not going to pick up. I'll delete this and we'll convert this data in a table. Control T. My table has headers. Okay. I converted my data in a table. We will come over here and we'll insert unique once again. I'll delete this. I'll delete this also. Plus or equal to unique, bracket open. I'll select my range, bracket close and I'll hit enter. I'll insert hash also, plus this has, enter. Now I'll expand my data, and the data over here is also getting expanded. I'll drag this, and my data is getting expanded because I have converted this data in table. I'll undo this. Over here we had inserted has manually. I'll delete this. I'll click over here. We'll insert plus or equal to. When I'll select the whole data, we can see has in the end. So I can hit enter and my data will spill. I'll delete this once again. We'll insert plus or equal to. We'll select this, but we will not select the whole data. We will select just a part of it. And in the end, we can't see has. Instead, we are able to see just the range. So we will have to select the whole data to spill it, and we'll hit enter. I'll show you something interesting over here. When I'll try to insert unique and we'll select this range, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got a spill error. Why? Because we can't use spilled range inside the table. Only reason we got the error. I'll undo this. I'll show you one more thing. I'll delete this. In case you want just one column, just like VLOOKUP, you can use index plus or equal to index bracket open. We will select our range, or instead of selecting the whole range, we can select this, can insert has, and the whole range will be selected. We'll put comma 2 times and we'll put column number. So I want column number 2. I'll put 2 over here. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And my data got spilled over here. In the same way, you can take third column also, plus or equal to index bracket open. I'll select this, has, comma 2 times. I want column number 3, so I'll put 3 over here, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. So data of column number 3 is over here now. So this is how spill and has works in Excel. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.